What if your Excel could think, not just suggest, but actually take decision and build models, execute tasks on your behalf? That is Agentic AI. And Cloud A is right here in your Excel. I am Satish and we will talk Cloud A in Excel today. I am going to show you exactly what Cloud A can do inside your Excel. It can write formulas, do data analysis without leaving your spreadsheet. This is not just another AI tool. This is different level. Let's get into it. This is my Excel sheet which has basic sales data. It is just like city, region, states and sales amount. We want to prepare a complete analysis from this so that we can have a presentation ready to the senior management. So what we need to do? We have a prompt. This is my prompt and I will give only this prompt to my Cloud A. And let's see what Cloud A will do with this prompt. So I have Cloud A in Excel. You can access it using Excel add-ins. It is here. So we will give the prompt to our Cloud A and let's see what it do. I am using Opus 4.6. This is the best model as on date. Let's see the magic. Now the thinking mode is activated. It is thinking and analyzing the Excel sheets. Let's see what it will do. It is now thinking. The magic is happening here. Let's see what result we get from the Cloud. You can see that it has created some sheets: executive summary, regional sales, product analysis. Now see what it is doing on executive summary. It is a blank sheet as of now, but it is writing something: sales performance, executive summary. Oh, let's see. The magic is on its way. Let's explore sheets. All sheets are blank as of now. I think it is doing its work. Ah, KPI data. Great. I have just given him a simple prompt that you need to prepare a deck for the senior management. And I have not given him any instruction that it need to prepare any executive summary, regional analysis or what. It is doing on its own. Let's see what it do. Currently I am saying that it has created some KPI, but they are not properly formatted. But let's wait until Cloud A deliver its final product. It is magic. Revenue by product. Now I think it is on regional analysis sheet. Let's see what it is doing. It is creating a regional performance analysis, revenue, volume, efficiency metrics by geographic region. Very good. Now the total rows for regional analysis. Okay, oh, it is adding the final. I am seeing some issues, but let's see. Now it is giving a state level breakdown. It is thinking, it is taking time to analyze what it should show for each state. And you can see that it is using formulas, not hard-coded values. So it will be a automation task. Means you can just replace your source sheet and it will reflect in all your KPIs across all workbook. I am seeing that though it is creating formulas for values, but if you see that states and regions, these are not formula driven, these are hard coded values. So this is something need improvement. These values should be formula driven. Let's see what it is doing. It is reading data, doing analysis. Let's see on which sheet it is. It has completed product category analysis. Now it is working on representative scorecard, means for each salesperson. Customer segment is pending, monthly trend is pending. It is doing very good. You can see it in action. Same way, what I am finding that though it is writing formulas for every value, but something is missing. It has calculated a rank for each salesperson, just like who is doing best. He had done the best sale, so it getting the rank 1. Monthly trend, what it is doing, let us see. It is doing formatting also. This is cumulative revenue, means for month it has shown cumulative revenue. Oh, now it is creating some charting. One chart is created, very good. It is saying that multi-line chart is failed. Let me create the unit chart with contiguous. If you see that it failed in some chart and it take a decision to make a different chart, and for that he needs some data, so it added a new data series for this, so that it can create the data as it want for its presentation. Now this chart is cumulative revenue built up. Now it is doing some final verification on the key numbers. If the numbers are shown are correct, all total cross verifying. It is just like doing we do normally. We cross verify with our source data. So it is doing the same activity here, and I think it has completed. No, it's still working. Now you see it is completing the executive summary. Okay. Oh, it is creating some chart on this sheet as well. It is wonderful. So it is showing what it has done. Consistent visual system. The color it is using, data bars. Let's see what it is doing. Okay, great. But okay, revenue split. This is for each type of category. Good. Regional analysis. It has added some bars formatting also. Okay, who is what, just like for each region. Good. But let it modify this table. Why these regions and state levels numbers are not formula driven? If we refresh our data and there is a new state or a new region, this will fail. Let's ask it to make necessary changes. I am happy with this, but it is not perfect. So we need to give another prompt or a reiteration so that it works to make it best. Let me show what we can ask it. This is perfect. but what I see, it is not formula driven. If the source data is refreshed, this model should auto adapt. I see that reason and state fields are hard coded. We can improve this. We are on latest Excel version. And should use expanding arrays or dynamic arrays. Let me correct the spelling. To make this workbook formula driven. Let's see what it do. You are absolutely right. A board ready workbook should be fully dynamic. So it is accepting that there is a mistake. It is assuming something that some data will be written by the user, but it should be fully automated and it will correct that mistake. Let's see how it is doing it. Oh, it is reworking on this cell. Regional analysis. So what does it show? The model are intelligent, they can do the work you want, but you need to keep it under your control and drive the automation as per your needs. A model can do better when the user is driving the main goal and he is keeping the model in control, that in case you are not having the full knowledge of the work area you are working on, the model will give you some basic working solution, but if you guide it properly, it can do wonders. So let's see what it will do. Let me see what it has done. Okay, now it is using short and unique. Perfect. But still I see, oh, now it is correcting it. Earlier I saw that it was using formula references just like A1 to B2, but now it is making changes and this will be fully dynamic. I think now it has done. It will be dynamic. It will be dynamic. Same way for region. Let's see if it is doing on other sheet as well. Oh, now it is using proper dynamic formulas. Perfect. Let me go through with other sheets. I think it has corrected everything. Perfect. Now let's see what we can do more. Let me give one additional data requirement or analysis. Let's see how it take it and what it will do. Let me see, we have a discount field and I don't see any segment or any analysis on discount. uh, Let me ask Claude. I don't see any analysis on discount. Can we have one such table, one sheet for discount related analysis for the managed audience? Let's see what it will do. It is adding one new sheet, discount analysis. Let's see what it will see in the data analysis for discount. Let's see. Good. It is creating some buckets for discounts, just like revenue given up greater than 20%. Good call. So friends, in this video my focus was not what analysis will it be done by Claude. The focus is the possibilities, what it can do, and how you can drive the automations in your daily routines. As you can see that Claude is doing wonderful work here, and let me see here, it is not repeating that mistake it was doing earlier, means writing a reason as hard coded, but now it is taking that feedback and it has not done in this discount analysis. So start using, friends. Claude is wonderful. It is offering agentic AI. If you found it useful, then start using Claude. It will help you in your daily Excel work. That is all for the day. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you want some more such videos on AI or any other kind of automation, do let me know in comments. That's all for the day from Dexified. Thanks, friends.